Culinary Arts is a class where students learn how to improve their cooking.
One thing that inspires me about this class is when I see students who maybe haven't tried a lot of different types of cuisines and foods, and throughout this class, they're able to do that.
This class could be used as an opportunity to be more independent as the students grow up, and it also gives students a chance to explore more types of foods and see what they like.
One thing that inspired me to join Culinary Arts is my mom's cooking.
This class could be used to take in the inspiration that students could transform into ideas and make good food and maybe their own recipes.
Usually cook about 5 different recipes every day that we're in lab, so they get the opportunity to try so many things, and it's exciting for them to find new tastes and flavors and dishes that they had no idea that they would enjoy.
Overall, the class can be taken in different types of ways, such as seeing the class as a challenge and experimenting with new recipes to see what you are capable of. So hopefully you have learned something about culinary arts. This is Brandon signing off for JBTV.